Drum Clinics Demystified, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, drum clinic. This might sound like a medical term at first, but it's actually a fascinating part of the music world. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will clarify what a drum clinic involves. A drum clinic is an educational workshop focusing on drums and percussion. It's not a medical clinic. The term combines drum, referring to the musical instrument, and clinic, which in this context means a practical demonstration or a workshop. Drum clinics are usually led by professional drummers or percussion experts. They demonstrate techniques, share tips, and often perform to show their skills. During a drum clinic, attendees can expect a mix of performances, lectures, and sometimes interactive sessions. The clinician, the person conducting the clinic, demonstrates various drumming techniques, discusses different styles, and may talk about their personal experiences in the music industry. It's a unique opportunity for attendees to learn directly from experienced musicians and to ask questions. Drum clinics are mainly attended by drumming students, music enthusiasts, and professional drummers. However, they are generally open to anyone interested in music. They are great for learning more about drumming, regardless of your skill level. It's a chance for attendees to gain insights, learn new skills, and get inspired. For English language learners, understanding phrases like drum clinic is important because it reflects how English words can have different meanings in various contexts. The word clinic usually relates to healthcare, but in this phrase, it has a completely different meaning. This shows the versatility and richness of the English language. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a drum clinic is and how the phrase is used in English. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural and contextual use of phrases. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language.